Hi, Dr. Jen Andrade, the Active Persons Chiropractor. And today I'm going to be sharing one of my tips to keep you happy and healthy and active and moving well. And I'm going to be talking about joint health best practices. So we all know how to take care of our teeth, for example. We go get our cleanings every 6 months and we get our x-rays to make sure that everything's good. We brush our teeth daily, twice a day, and we floss. So we know a lot of those things, but a lot of people don't really know what they should be doing for your joint health. Joint health is really important. It's what keeps us moving and able to do the things we want to do in our life. And I'm here to help you with those joint health best practices. So number one, being well hydrated. So your joints are lubricated and have cushions that actually require you to be properly hydrated to function properly. So if you're feeling achiness, stiffness, or you feel like your joints just aren't responding the way that you want to, I would definitely recommend increasing your water intake to make sure that you are well hydrated so that your joints can stay healthy. So on that note, joint health really is based upon healthy movement of that joint. Movement is essential for that joint to be healthy because your joint doesn't get blood flow or a blood supply directly to it to like a lot of other parts of your body. It actually needs movement to get good nutrients into it and to get waste products out so that it can continually be repairing and be healthy and have everything that it needs. The other thing is taking a supplement such as glucosamine chondroitin, things that actually help to hydrate those joints better. And another thing is daily movement. And I recommend for my patients, walking is one of the best things you can do for your spine and other joints. It's very low impact, natural and easy way to maintain that joint health. And last but not least, get regular chiropractic adjustments. So chiropractic adjustments are going to help facilitate that healthy movement of joints that maybe aren't moving so well because of a prior injury or posture or lifestyle things that we have going on. So hopefully you find these joint health practices helpful. Thanks for watching. Dr. Jen Andrade, the Active Persons Chiropractor.